Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's video, we will see about daily dialogue practice. So as you remember, in the previous video, we have seen about the useful shopping phrases and also about the Ethiopian traditional dresses and also about the clothes, the vocabularies used to call or to name the clothes. So in today, we will see about daily dialogue practice. So let's see one by one. So how was your day? How was your day? If you want to say how was your day in Amharic, you can say ቀንህ እንዴት ነው? ቀንህ እንዴት ነው? ቀንህ እንዴት ነው? And it was quite busy. It was quite busy. So it means in Amharic ስራ በዝቶበት ነበር. ስራ በዝቶበት ነበር. ስራ በዝቶበት ነበር. And what are your plans? What are your plans? እቅድህ ምንድን ነው? In Amharic, what are your plans? It means in Amharic እቅድህ ምንድን ነው? እቅድህ ምንድን ነው? And I have no plans yet. I have no plans. I have no plans yet. I have no plans yet. So this means in Amharic እስካሁን ምንም እቅድ የለኝም። እስካሁን እቅድ የለኝም። እስካሁን እቅድ የለኝም. And let's grab lunch. Let's grab lunch. So this means in Amharic ምሳ እንብላ. ምሳ እንብላ. ምሳ እንብላ. ምሳ እንብላ. So are you free tomorrow? Are you free tomorrow? Are you free tomorrow? This means in Amharic ነገ ነፃ ነህ? ነገ ነፃ ነህ? ነገ ነፃ ነህ? And I will call you later. I will call you later. So this means in Amharic በኋላ እደውልልሃለሁ. በኋላ እደውልልሃለሁ. በኋላ እደውልልሃለሁ. So drive safely. Drive safely. Drive safely means in Amharic በሰላም ይንዱ. በሰላም ይንዱ. በሰላም ይንዱ. Drive safely. Drive safely. It means in Amharic በሰላም ይንዱ. በሰላም ይንዱ. Congratulations. Congratulations. It means in Amharic እንኳን ደስ አለህ or እንኳን ደስ አለሽ. For a male እንኳን ደስ አለህ and for a girl እንኳን ደስ አለሽ and for a lot of persons or for more than one persons you can say እንኳን ደስ አላችሁ. እንኳን ደስ አላችሁ. So best wishes. Best wishes. It means in Amharic መልካም ምኞት. Best wishes means in Amharic መልካም ምኞት. መልካም ምኞት. And that's great news. That's great news. That's great news. This means in Amharic ይህ ጥሩ ዜና ነው. ይህ ጥሩ ዜና ነው. ይህ ጥሩ ዜና ነው. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. This means in Amharic በአንተ እኮራለሁ. በአንተ እኮራለሁ or በአንቺ እኮራለሁ or በእናንተ እኮራለሁ. So it is the same for you. It is you for he, she, and for they. So I'm proud of you. So if you want to say I'm proud of you, this means in Amharic በአንተ እኮራለሁ or በአንቺ እኮራለሁ or በእናንተ እኮራለሁ. So don't worry. Don't worry. It means in Amharic አትጨነቅ or አትጨነቂ. Don't worry means in Amharic አትጨነቅ for a girl, for a male, and አትጨነቂ for a girl. Don't worry. So everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. This means in Amharic ሁሉም ደህና ይሆናል. ሁሉም ደህና ይሆናል. Everything will be fine. ሁሉም ደህና ይሆናል. ሁሉም ደህና ይሆናል. ሁሉም ደህና ይሆናል. Everything will be fine. ሁሉም ደህና ይሆናል. So take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. This means in Amharic ራስን ጠብቅ. Take care of yourself. This means in Amharic ራስን ጠብቅ. ራስን ጠብቅ. Or ራስሽን ጠብቂ. Take care of yourself. This is take care of yourself. It is for a male, for a boy. ራስን ጠብቅ. For a girl ራስሽን ጠብቂ. So what's going on? What's going on? This means in Amharic ምን እየሆነ ነው or ምን እየተካሄደ ነው? ምን እየሆነ ነው? ምን እየሆነ ነው? What's going on? This means in Amharic ምን እየሆነ ነው? Long time no see. Long time no see. Long time no see. This means in Amharic ከረጅም ጊዜ በኋላ. ከረጅም ጊዜ በኋላ. Long time no see. It means in Amharic ከረጅም ጊዜ በኋላ. ከረጅም ጊዜ በኋላ. ከረጅም ጊዜ በኋላ. I missed you. I missed you. This means in Amharic ናፍቄሃለሁ. 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 And let me know. Let me know. This means in Amharic አሳውቀኝ. This means let me know. This means in Amharic አሳውቀኝ. 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 I'm in my way. I am in my way. I am on my way. I am on my way. This means in Amharic በመንገዴ ላይ ነኝ። በመንገዴ ላይ ነኝ። በመንገዴ ላይ ነኝ። በመንገዴ ላይ ነኝ። So what do you think? What do you think? ምን ታስባለህ? In Amharic what do you think means ምን ታስባለህ? ምን ታስባለህ? And that's up to you. That's up to you. This means in Amharic ያ የአንተ ጉዳይ ነው። ያ የአንተ ጉዳይ ነው። Or ያ የአንቺ ጉዳይ ነው። That's up to you. That's up to you. It means in Amharic ያ የአንተ ጉዳይ ነው። Or ያ የአንቺ ጉዳይ ነው። And I trust you. I trust you. አምነሃለሁ. I trust you means in Amharic አምነሃለሁ. አምነሃለሁ. Or I trust you. አምንሻለሁ. For a girl አምንሻለሁ. For a boy አምንሃለሁ። Stay positive. Stay positive. አዎንታዊ ሁን. Stay positive. This means think positive things. Think positive things. So stay positive means in Amharic አዎንታዊ ሁን. አዎንታዊ ሁን. So let's celebrate. Let's celebrate means in Amharic እናክብር. Let's celebrate means in Amharic እናክብር. 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 So for example, if you want to say like let's celebrate the party. Let's celebrate the party. So you can say in Amharic ፓርቲውን እናክብር. ፓርቲውን እናክብር. I need your advice. I need your advice. So if you want to say or to seek an advice from a Habesha boy, so you can say in Amharic ምክርን እፈልጋለሁ. ምክርን እፈልጋለሁ. I need your advice means in Amharic ምክርን እፈልጋለሁ. ምክርን እፈልጋለሁ. And it's my pleasure. It's my pleasure. So it's my pleasure. It means in Amharic ደስ ብሎኛል. ደስ ብሎኛል. And see you soon. See you soon. See you soon. This means in Amharic በቅርቡ እንገናኝ. See you soon means in Amharic በቅርቡ እንገናኝ. በቅርቡ እንገናኝ. So have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful day. It means in Amharic መልካም ቀን ይሁንልህ. መልካም ቀን ይሁንልህ. So this is all about today's lesson. So today's lesson is about the topic, the dialogue, daily dialogues. So daily dialogue. So this is all about today's lesson. So you practice it and you will be perfect and you can talk with Habesha man or Habesha girl. So thanks for watching my videos. Subscribe my channel and like my videos. See you in another video. Bye.